Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone touch laggy, slow, not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check iOS update. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is factory reset iPhone. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen. Raise iPhone. Are you sure you want to erase all media, content and settings? This cannot be undone. Tap on erase iPhone to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whispo.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone touch laggy, slow, not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.